Welcome, Internet. Okay, let me just say this up front. I'm not some crypto expert or financial advisor or whatever. I'm just a regular person who's been messing with cloud mining for a while and made pretty much every mistake you can make. And I see people in the comments section on other videos asking the same questions I had, about to make the same dumb decisions I made, and I just thought it'd be easier to make one video showing exactly what I use now and why everything else I tried was basically a disaster. So that's what this is. I've been testing this mining platform for about a few months now, and it's the only one where withdrawals actually work consistently. That's literally the bar we're working with here. All right, so let me show you this live right now so you see the process. So first thing, I'm hitting Start Mining Now right over here. Good. Okay, so now it's pulling up the coin selection screen. I'm going with Solana today, and just worth mentioning, this platform covers pretty much the whole market. Okay, so clicking continue here. Good. So now I need to add my receiving address in here. So let me just flip over to Trust Wallet for a second. Okay, grabbing that and switching back, dropping it into this field. Good. Okay, so now we've got hash rate, power, and mining speed mode sitting here. One controls how much raw processing power gets thrown at your mind. It's about finding the spot that makes sense for what you're going for. Okay, then I'm entering my mining target right here. So this basically maps out the crypto amount you're targeting, what that's currently worth, and a rough window for hitting that goal. Okay, everything checks out. I'm pressing Start Mining, and we're running. All the live stats are populating right here on the screen. So let's just, hang tight for a few minutes. And there we go, I've successfully mined my tokens and now I can withdraw it, but important detail here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. Everything's broken down here, so factor that. Also, a cool thing here is I'm not forced to pay in any specific coin, I can use whatever I want. So I'm gonna pick this one. Good. Next, tapping I've sent, and just waiting for verification. Good. Solana sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my wallet. Okay, so while this processes and I'm waiting for tokens to arrive, let me explain why this platform is actually trustworthy. It's predictable. The infrastructure fee is clear from the start, never changes, no hidden stuff later. I've completed maybe 12 or 13 sessions of the last few months, and every single one has been the same exact experience. No surprises, no sudden rule changes, no account issues. It's actually boring, which in this industry is amazing. The scam platforms always have exciting promotions, urgency timers, huge bonuses, all designed to make you act fast without thinking. The legit ones, they're just plain and straightforward. That's the sign most people overlook. So here's what I tell beginners. Don't trust anyone's word, including mine. Test everything yourself. Do one minimum session, withdraw it, confirm it actually arrives in your wallet. Wait a couple days, then do another one. Only after you've personally verified multiple successful withdrawals should you consider scaling up. Your own experience beats any review or testimonial. One more thing that really helped me, don't leave funds sitting on platforms. The moment your mining completes and fees are paid, withdraw immediately. Get it into your personal wallet where you actually control it. Even if you plan to mine again tomorrow, withdraw first. That habit has saved me multiple times. Anyway, if you want to try this platform, links in the description and comments section. Research it yourself, obviously, but this has been reliable in my experience. If you found this valuable, hit the like. Got questions? Drop them below. I actually respond. Peace.